Thank you for your support to Uzoli. This video will introduce how to install EM3539E projection clock. The installation steps are very easy. Let's do it together. Step 1. Install the remote sensor. Open the battery cover. Insert 2 AA batteries. There are 3 buttons in the battery compartment. The FX button switches the sensor screen's temperature unit. The TX button is used to manually transmit a signal to the clock. The black button is to select a channel. We recommend choosing channel 1. If you have multiple sensors, please choose a different channel for each sensor. Finally, close the battery compartment. Step 2. Install the projection clock. In order to prevent the sudden power failure caused by the loss of the program you set up, we are equipped with a CR2023 battery. If there has a battery insulation foil, simply pull out the insulation foil. To open the battery compartment, follow the prompt arrows. Remove the battery when the power is off, and all set programs will be cleared. Now connect the clock to the power supply, using the supplied power adapter. After powering up, the projection clock measures temperature and humidity, and searches for sensor signals within 3 minutes. In the 4th minute, it automatically enters the RCC receiving mode, lasting up to 7 minutes. During this process, the backlight and projection turned off automatically, and all buttons lock, except the top touch button and the back minus button. You can touch the top button to light up the backlight. If you need to exit the search in advance, simply press the minus button.